आता खबरो विस्तारान. राज्य सरकारान आणि भाजपा सरकारान मुखेलमंत्र्याच्या भलायके बाबतीत पारदर्शकता दाखोवपाची गरज आसा. तशेंच मुखेलमंत्र्याक आपल्या मंत्र्यांचेर विश्वास ना तर तो सरकार चलोवपाक शकना. अर्थसंकल्प अधिवेशनात मदींच मुखेलमंत्र्याचें येवप खुणायता की मुखेलमंत्र्याक आपल्या मंत्रिमंडळाचेर विश्वास ना म्हण अशें वक्तव्य काँग्रेस प्रदेशाध्यक्ष शांताराम नायक हांणी केलां. आरडीएक्स गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान चीफ रिपोर्टर केंजिल रॉड्रिगीस आणि विलियम रॉड्रिगीस.
Chief Minister, good health and wished him speedy recovery. In fact, in our last press conference, I said even if he requires treatment to be taken abroad, he should go. And a lot of time has passed since then. He is hospitalized again. So I would like to know from the government whether the state government is at all in a position to run this state. It appears they don't have machinery, they have no capacity to run this state, and therefore they should themselves do some rethinking. Except one Mr. Parrikar, it appears they don't have any person. Whole machinery has collapsed. State is in debt, high debt. And I appeal to the government to issue a white paper on their financial status today. Therefore, if white paper issued, we will know if they can at all run the administration. There are so many issues pending. How they are going to solve the present mining crisis? Because as it is, if the government is fully in power, even then I would admit that it is a complicated issue. But when you are not there at all, the mining minister not there at all, it is very, very difficult to run that department. The manner in which he came rushing to Goa is shocking. There was no need because everybody has cooperated. Opposition parties said, okay, get well soon. And it was a question only of reading the budget on the floor of the house or tabling it. What compelled him to come to Goa and read some portion of the budget?
What is it indicative of, sir?
What is that?
What is that gesture indicative of?
It still indicates that he has no confidence in his own colleagues, he has no confidence in his party, and he has no confidence in the allies. I would like government and the party both to be transparent on the issue of his health. And I suppose I am very clear what I am saying is. I would not like to hurt anybody's feeling, but he has to be transparent. And if Goa is to be run effectively, few days before monsoon, few months are remaining. These 3-4 months are very crucial to Goa.